Hello to everyone who is going to watch my video. My name is Adriana or Ineza. I'm working on a module called Social Media in Healthcare. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the evolution of media, which is quite interesting, and I will also tell you about the settings that companies should use as policy for the effective use of social media. So let me start with a brief introduction to how media evolved. So media, it all started in 1960s when the first instrument for media is different from social media. So there was an introduction of television, which is a form of media. So television was used by various people who wanted to advertise or just pass on the television to share a kind of information, but at that time it wasn't used to address to a target group of people. It was used to communicate to a mass, a large number of people. So at that time, even social media organization, healthcare organization could use it to advertise their services or products. And there was also an introduction of radio at that time. Yeah, it was kind of used in the same way for for television, and then in 21st century, that's when there was introduction of social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter. So I hope you all remember when Barack Obama, during his campaigns, he used Twitter to gain many votes from uh, the audience. So at that time, Twitter and Facebook was used by a kind of people. It wasn't really used by healthcare organization because it was used by politicians and teenagers and other people who wanted to use it. But as time evolved, like 2010, also healthcare organization started using social media to address or communicate to a given target group. Yeah, and that's how social media now, it's now used in healthcare, and many hospitals or other healthcare organizations use it to just communicate and create communities with people. And you all know that people use social media a lot to get information about health. So that's why nowadays social media is used, especially healthcare. They use it and it's very beneficial because now people can access and learn about health just using social media. Then going to the setting that companies should use for effective use of social media. So physicians are a very important aspect of social media. So you all know that physicians are always having a lot of tasks to cure people and emergencies, but after their work, when they take a time and use social media to communicate with people, patients and families, and teach them about how they could improve their health, this is a very good use of social media. And also hospitals must be engaging online to maximize opportunities to make connection. So healthcare organization can use social media to create trust within the community. So this is another way they can take benefit of social media. And also they should use social media to create communities, like for example the sick kids. Like many healthcare organizations should learn from sick kids to just create communities so that they can help patients. And also the organization should use social media to seek feedback. And also healthcare organizations should set policies. So any information to be posted on their website should first be analyzed by their social media directors. And also all employees of healthcare organizations should be trained about the HIPAA policy, which is a bane for many healthcare professions. So they should first train them so that it can't affect them and even affect the organization. And also healthcare organizations should set penalties for those who violate the organization's policy and social media policy. So this is a very good thing that healthcare organizations should do, because many people could even violate the policies without knowing. Then teaching them and making them be aware of penalties that could arise from not following this policy would help many healthcare professions. So thank you for your attention. That's all for this video.